I'm Jason Skinner, Chief Executive Officer of Northwest Terminal here at Unity, Saskatchewan. Our company is called Northwest Terminal, but we operate the alcohol part of our business under the brand name of Northwest Pure, so we'll market a lot of our products under that brand name. Once we saw COVID hit, we actually went through a phase where we quickly converted and started to supply alcohol, pharmaceutical-grade alcohol, into that market that was requesting it for hand sanitizer. COVID-19 has created an interesting opportunity for us. With the pandemic coming on, it seemed like companies were able to find our business through social media, through our webpage, and approach us, and it really opened a lot of doors for us in terms of new customers that were doing innovative things and wanted to buy our product as a main ingredient in those products that they were making, like hand sanitizer. I think for our company, in terms of Northwest Terminal and Northwest Pure, the pandemic's really instilled a morale and a pride in our workforce in terms of what we're able to do as a company in Saskatchewan in terms of helping North America, helping different parts of the world. We're very excited about the future here and our opportunities and what we have going on, and we're looking to keep on expanding.